Hello and welcome. Let's see an easy way to generate thousands of dollars by utilizing free resources available on the internet. Our students are making thousands of dollars using this strategy by utilizing free online tools. Here's a living example. Let's log into this ClickBank account. As you can see, this person is making hundreds of dollars every day. See these numbers. These are real results our students are getting every day. Note this as an example and not a guarantee that you make the same amount, but I can assure you that you will get good results if you follow our strategy. You don't have to spend money for traffic. You don't have to purchase any expensive software. You don't need your own website. You don't need any experience to make it work. No need to create your own content. No current expenses or hidden charges. What you really need is an internet connection and our step-by-step tutorials. This works for anyone from anywhere in the world. 100% newbie friendly. You can use this method to promote anything. Affiliate products, your own products or services. This strategy is proven to work for any niche. This is an effective method to generate affiliate commission from ClickBank, JVZoo, VarioPlus, Amazon and CPA offers. The strategy involves three components: free content, free software, free targeted traffic. We are utilizing one of the best free content provider on the internet. We can republish their content 100% legally using this software. The content and your offer links will be spread all over the internet. It takes only 3 to 4 minutes of your time and few mouse clicks. Imagine a magic tool that can spread your affiliate links 24/7 without spending a dime. You will start getting free traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp and others. Your affiliate link will spread all over the internet and start bringing commissions and leads every day. We have created an easy to follow tutorial showing all the steps. You can purchase this PDF quick start guide for just $1. With the video tutorials, a PDF quick start guide is also included. This is a one-time only charge and no recurring billing. We offer money-back guarantee for your purchase. Once you get the tutorials, you can start using the system without spending any additional charges. Use the following link to download the tutorials. Take action right now.